We're going to the field, we're going to the cocoa plantations, we're going to the rice fields every day to really change how agriculture is done, how that affects like the life of farmers, how that affects the life of people, and ultimately of these kids. Hello, I'm Thomas Cherico Wanger-Guerrero. I'm from Germany and I'm an associate professor at Westlake University School of Engineering. And this is where I lead the Sustainable Agricultural Systems and Engineering Lab. So I'm interested in, understanding how humans are affecting the environment, agriculture, how we can improve this interaction and how we can basically make our life in the long term sustainable. You can think of a rice field in China, and instead of just having your rice paddies after rice paddies after rice paddies, what we see in Heilongjiang, you can also have rice paddies on the side. You plant like these beautiful flowers that you nowadays see on the rice field sides. And so you diversify these rice fields with non-crops. And so what we showed in recent work is basically that if you diversify your systems, you actually have above 60% positive effects on crop yields, on ecosystem services, so-called pest control and pollination. So what we're trying to understand now is what is the variation between different cropping systems, so cocoa, coffee, rice, rubber, when you diversify, how you diversify, what is the difference in the outcomes. What I really think is special about my group in particular is that we have about 50% of international people. So there is this great mix of the Chinese culture and this kind of international culture, and I think that's very fruitful. Right now we're talking about the global food systems transformation, that we really need to change how we do agriculture. I hope that I could influence some of the decisions that are made related to this food systems transformation. If people would say that about me, I would be happy.